What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Director, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today, we've got the RokBlokz Mud Flaps. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and open these up, safety first, remember that. Now, these are kind of the, I'm not gonna call them the new players on the market, but they're relatively new for us, and I haven't had a chance to really dive into these, so I'm excited to open these up and kind of get an idea of what they're all about. Initial impressions. I like them. They've got a nice matte but semi-gloss surface on it, nice and flexible, but they're not going to be just flippy flopping all in the breeze. But if you were to, hit something and they're going to bend out of the way, which is important. I do like the, let's call that embossed logo on there that they actually paint in a bunch of different colors. I know you can get them in just about any color under the sun. And looks like they use, I'm guessing, a laser of some sort. You can actually see the remnants of the melted plastic as the laser comes along, but still incredibly, where it counts, everything is super smooth. And I mean, you wouldn't even be able to, I don't even know if the camera's gonna be able to pick up on that. But it also means that they are precision fit, which is always good. And these are a direct fit. Of course, these ones are gonna be for the 18+ Crosstrek, and we are gonna be installing these on our Crosstrek. And so make sure to subscribe to see that later. But they do come with some pretty basic, but looks like decent instructions on how to install these. Of course, your cool sticker, and then the hardware. Now this is something where I think kind of makes or breaks mud flaps is the hardware that they choose, because the hardware needs to be strong enough to hold up the mud flap through just about anything you can throw at it. But at the same time, in the event that somehow this gets sucked underneath the wheel, then the hardware needs to be able to break away from the car. So it's kind of a tricky process to get something like that, and actually looks like, at least from first glance, these would do the job perfectly. So if you guys are interested in a set of mud flaps, these RokBlokz are actually really nice. I'm very impressed. Everything's, laser cut, designed to fit the vehicle specifically, and, quality-wise seems to be, really good. Yeah, actually really excited to install these. Okay, but yeah, if you guys want to check them out, link down below. Subscribe. We'll be doing a video later on these, and you guys can see them in action and see how they look. Hopefully I chose the right color. We'll see. We'll see. See you on the next one.